What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. So in our 100K challenge, we are looking at $5,400. We're down 3% today, $185. Looks like we're going to be on the downward trend this week. Well, I mean, not this week. Today's Friday, so hopefully next week we can reverse this, hopefully. So damn, I just realized today's Friday. Shoot. Okay, anyways, we're down 3%. Let's see why we're down 3%. Well, Bitcoin is kind of stagnated at between 59k and about 57.7. So currently HIVE is down 2.5. HUT is down 5%. Immersion is up 1%. Digihost is down 4%. BNGO is down 3%. Bitfarms is down 1.3, and ASXC is still going down 3%. It's on the downward trend. It's down 25%. Jeez, it's killing us. Let's see. If we're down 25% between here, we need to gain at least about 30%. 31. I want to say 33%. We have to get up 3%. That's a lot to ask of ASXC in the short term. Like I said, this is a long-term play for me, so I don't really care if it's down 25%. I'll just look to buy more of it. So yeah, let's see. And also we have some news today. HUT and Digihost was supposed to have their closing of the private placement, but they didn't release it. So I'm thinking they might release it on the weekend, if not Monday morning. So I also have a strategy that I want to shuffle around. So let's get on to HUT first. The rest, there's not much to talk about. So their final base shelf prospectus, if you remember, they did that a while back. It was like, a month ago? Yeah, so preliminary base protect. Okay, so it's not finalized. Okay, so with this, it's pretty much the same. 500 million Canadian dollars now. So let's see. I didn't get the chance to look at it that much, but I think it was the same $500 million. And so let's see. $500 million, duration of 25 months to use that. Of course, this would give them flexibility. So like the CEO says right here, Jamie Leverton, these filings will provide us with the financial flexibility to support our continued growth should we seek to leverage it. It also permits us to act more quickly to take advantage of any future opportunities that may arise. Hopefully sooner than later. It's kind of a race right now to build up hash rate. Riot just announced like a couple days ago, maybe. They have a deal for 7.7 exahash, and Mara has currently at 10.37 at Q1. So don't think they're just gonna chill, for the remaining of the year. They're gonna keep adding more. So if you look at the interview with the Mara CEO, it is about 7% of the Bitcoin hash rate. So if you look at 150 exahash, and they'll be at 10 exahash. So you can do the math. And it's currently fallen down. So mining profitability is up 38 cents per day per terahash. Ethereum is kind of the same. So let's see. Price wise, let's see, price wise, we're looking pretty good. Ethereum, not much movement, up and down about $50, seems like, yeah. And you have to realize that the highest is 2153, so it's coming close to it. So I think over the weekend it's going to be interesting to see if it moves up or down. With Bitcoin, it seems to have stagnated, and it's kind of consolidated right now, so we'll see how it moves. Of course, it did drop, but it doesn't seem to want to go up that much. So April 2nd, yeah, not much movement since then. Just after just this drop right here, buying opportunity. So you see that recover real quick. So till 58. So it looks like 58 is our like mid comfort level kind of situation right there. So okay, so the strategy, right? So what I was thinking of doing is, since Digihost is down all the way to let's see here, 5 days drop from the news of the private placement, down 27, down about 30%. It's a really good opportunity. I think it's been a while since it's come all the way down there. So let's see. Comparable is at 183. We're looking at about February 5, between February 5 and 5 and 8. So we'll take advantage of that. Hopefully Monday morning. This is kind of a bit of a big ask for it to stay the same, but I don't think it's gonna be the same. But maybe 190s. Hopefully I can get in. So yeah, let's see. So if we're looking, it's pretty good. TMG is up 2400. Jesus. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick up more Digihost. So what I'll do is I will sell some Hive. It will bring up my average cost up. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm close to 100%, this strategy is pretty common, taking profits. So what I'm gonna do is take this profit here because it's pretty high right now, and I'm gonna just divert that to Digihost when it's really low right now. So I think that makes more sense, because Digihost right now we're at what, minus 24%, with our average price of 241. So I will purchase another $400, looks like. So if I can sell Hive, I'll sell about $400 to $500, and on Monday. And what I'll do is this will go down to, I want Hive and HUT to be the same, about the same. So I'll take out maybe $400, and I'll put that into Digihost and kind of bring down the overall percentage of the portfolio down. It's kind of high. I don't want any of the companies to be over like 25 to 30%. It's too high. It needs to be readjusted. Let's see here, it's about 25. That's okay with me. So I think that was the next highest. HUT. Yeah, HUT was the next highest. So I'll bring this down, and then this will be 25, and then this will go up to like maybe 18%. It's currently 9%. So yeah, maybe I was 16%. So that's what I'll do, and we will take advantage of the rise, because Digihost is really underrated right now. So in terms of like the sentiment and the exposure, I mean, of course their mining hash rate is kind of low right now, to be called really underrated, but for the price, it's a steal right now at 183. So that's what I'll do. And yeah, so since this I'll take the loss, minus 36%. I think I got in a bit too early. I could have waited to let the FDA approval, like FDA clearance, like just write that wave down, because it shot up. So I could have taken the time to wait for it, but market, how it goes, you don't know if it's gonna go up or not. So sometimes you just gotta get in and just average cost in if you want to invest in that company. So I have purchased some at what was that, like 260? I picked up at 360. Okay, so I think I might pick up Essences at 261. I'll pick up some shares. So that would mean some readjusting of shares here. So I could take profits from BNGO. It's up 50%. It's only $400 up though. So it would be like moving, that currency exchange rate. That's a killer right there. Although it's not at that big of a price, so I think it'll be like $5-6 maybe. So so anything that goes down over 20%, just load up more, because we've already done the research. So like there's no need to worry about the company. Like there's no bad news that came out. The company is the same. It's just the market sentiment is down, and people are just selling because they see it go down every day, and then they just like panic and just sell it. So of course, no one can predict the stock price, like if it's going to go up or down. What we can hope for in the long term is that with our research and everything that we've done, that it will go up from the potential of the stock. And so what I'll do is I'll buy $400 worth of Digihost. I'll sell $400 of Hive. And let's see. I think you may think it's kind of odd, but I am kind of readjusting within the same industry, within the same crypto mining industry. So in that terms, it's kind of diverse. I'm just diversifying it to have that like projectile growth, because Digihost, it's not like a usual company. If you look at the growth that it had right here at 222 and just shut up, I want to say 4 days, it shot up 154%. So it's not an ordinary company. So it is still kind of undervalued in terms of the exposure, and that's kind of, so we'll have to see how it goes on Monday. I think they might release the news about the closure in this weekend, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I can get it for under $2. If I can get it for under $2, I think that'll be good for me. But at 183, that's a really good price. Really, really solid. So, okay. Not much of an update. So this weekend I'll do like a, update on the portfolio. It's I've added some companies like Big Digital. I was finally able to add it. I think they're getting better with these unknown companies. BTC, I think I added FLT. It's a drone delivery company. It is kind of, actually, you know what? I'll get into it this weekend. So I don't want to, so X1 as well. So, okay. So I'll update the watch list and update this chart. I'll update the crypto portfolio. I'll update, that one's already updated. So the comparison in terms of hash rate, market cap to hash rate, Bitfarms is still ridiculously undervalued. if you look at it. Digihost is okay. Let's see. HUT as well. And let's see. HUT has a market cap of less than $1 billion, so still a lot of room to grow. Bitfarms is kind of similar to Riot, except for the HODL, but otherwise similar strategy. Bitfarms just like 600 BTC shy of matching Riot, but Riot just recently came out with a huge news about acquisition of up to 750 megawatt power facility, and they already have 300 megawatt facility that's already been developed, and they bought I think they acquired Windstone. So let's see. So Riot is making some big news. I think I just yesterday, was it? I just read the topic and I didn't even get into it. So yeah, they acquired Windstone, and I will just go through it quick. Okay, so consideration of 80 plus cash and then fixed. Okay, so they're paying 80 million cash and then 11.8 million shares of Riot. Wow, that's a lot. So total transaction value is $651 million. And so like I said, 300 megawatt power developed capacity data center, and total of another expandable addition of 450 megawatt. And this is in Texas. Let's see. So, right. So total facility Bitcoin mining in 3 buildings totaling 190,000 square feet. That's a lot. An additional 60,000 square feet building is also under development. So that's really good. And I think the power is also pretty cheap. Let's see. So yeah, Windstone. That's a big time acquisition. This is kind of like Argo's acquisition of the land in Texas, but I think theirs was for 200 megawatt, and this is for like 750 megawatt. Jesus. And they paid $651 million. Not sure why this didn't take off. It should have taken off, but it went down, which is weird. I mean, I guess people don't know how to react to this situation. It is good news. Oh, whoops. Got into Riot. Right. Yeah. It is down, so it's kind of weird. It should be up like at least $5. I don't know. Okay. I think that was it for today. So overall, this past week, we're down 8%. I think this is also with the addition of $275. And yeah, so overall, 132%. Now the percentage is going to go down as I put more money into it. And also because we're taking a lot of hits. So, okay. I think the highest we've hit is 6K. So, man, but we've invested like another 1350. Yeah. About $1,325. $1,325. Jeez. Still down. So imagine we could have been at 4K if that investment wasn't in there, but with the investment we bought at the price where we thought it was reasonable. So yeah. Okay, we'll just, I think that's it for today. So please feel free to like and subscribe. Please do your own research. This is not financial advice, guys. Please. I always try to preach, do your own research on the company, build up your conviction, and that will make you, hold like stocks like Ascensus that's gone down 35%. Yeah. Otherwise, if I was just impatient, I would just probably have sold it. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.